Hi friends, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel.
The new dashboard, otherwise known as the YouTube Studio Beta. I told you we would talk about the YouTube Studio Beta, or the new dashboard, to go ahead and look at your videos, your comments, your revenue. So everything's pretty much the same in this new dashboard. This new Studio Beta, in your right hand corner will have your analytics, so your current subscribers, your watch time, your views, and your revenue. Again, it's not going to be fully updated usually as of now, so you'll actually want to go over and check out your channel for your active subscribers, or use the TubeBuddy tool that I showed you. These are news, so you can go ahead and look at all the news from YouTube, just pretty generic stuff, and you're going to see your most recent videos, so activity on your most recent video. And I think that's pretty interesting, and it shows you the views that you got on your last 10. So you can look at the comments, you can look at the analytics. It's a great place to access it. Again, video dashboard in the new Studio Beta looks like this. Same sort of stuff, your video visibility, the date it was published, views, comments. I'm not a big fan of this new way of presenting the information, but you know, it's something to get used to. I just find it too long, and you know, I'm more used to the I'm used to the other format, but it's just generally everything that you want to access on your left hand corner, it's over here. Analytics. So let's talk about how the analytics are a little bit different. In the next lesson we're going to be talking about that, but what this reminds me of is actually Shopify, when they show store visits, it shows like this, and I really like the way that this, you know, this is presented. I like the graph. Basically, the watch time you have, it's going to be showing you here the percent increase in the last 28 days. So the previous 28 days, I was at 53k watch minutes. Now I'm at 66. So it's a 25% interest. Well, increase. I'm sorry, not interest. We're not looking at money here. And views over here. Again, 35% increase, 22% increase in subscribers. Come to your analytics every month and see how you're performing. These are going to be your top videos. So the top videos that you're doing, again, you want to hone in and make as much content about this as possible. Halifax gets a lot of views, so I should be making more videos about Halifax. Latest activity is going to show you, you know, people you're reaching within the last 24 to 48 hours, and you can adjust that here. Just, you know, generic stuff that you can see. So how you're reaching viewers is also very important. So YouTube search, browse features, suggested video, channel pages, these are where you're getting your traffic sources. Google search brings me in a lot of traffic, and these are the keywords that are working for me. So these are great things for you to go and check out. And again, you want to produce a body of work reflecting the content that you see in this analytics panel. So this is just, you know, a basic overview of the new Studio dashboard, the Studio Beta, which isn't always, it's not going to be a beta in the future, it's going to be the actual new Studio dashboard. So this is it. Let's talk about how this differs from the new one and how you can use it to gain more subscribers and build an audience. We're going to talk about how the new Studio dashboard differs from the old layout and how you should use it to build an audience. Always head into your comments. Just like the other section, what you're going to do is respond to all the comments that you possibly can. Not all those people commenting are subscribers. You have to understand that. So the more you comment and heart all of these, you know, and I have to actually go and do mine right now. The more you comment and like things, the more people are going to be like, hey, this guy interacts with me, and they're going to subscribe. Analytics is what you should be focusing on. So it differs with the analytics that you're being shown first. What I want you to do is always look and, you know, reach viewers and interest viewers. These are going to give you some suggestions about how to make your future videos. Again, your top videos are going to be right here, so make more of these top videos. Halifax, living, transportation, food. I can probably now do videos on just living, on just transportation, and just food. I make 10 each of them to make 30 videos. If I were to make those, you know, really interesting, engaging pieces of content, this could be, you know, another 100,000 views for my channel. So I want to, you know, try to do that as much as possible. Building an audience. This is showing the unique viewers that you're going to get, the average views per each viewer. They watch a couple of my videos, and these are the subscribers I'm getting. So you want to see there's 71% of your audience not subscribed. How can you convert more of them? And where is your audience coming from? Maybe if I do content for people from India, I'm going to get more subscribers from India. And again, my age ranges are 18 to 24 and 25 to 34. These are my biggest age ranges, and then 35 to 44. We have some people that are over 45, but they're few and far between. And we have like less than 1% under 18 years old. So we are reaching a lot of people And most of them don't use subtitles, but some of them do. So this is an indication that even uploading some more subtitles might be handy. So again, the information that you're being presented here is constantly going back to your top performing videos. So if you can hone in on these top performing videos, you are going to do much better here on YouTube, and I'm making more money each month. This is really the beginning of the phase for me. This is beginning to grow my channel, and it's going to be the same with you. If you're not monetized yet, we're going to talk about that soon, and about how you can make money here on YouTube. But I wanted to go over these noteworthy features and talk about how you can use them to build an audience, focus on those top videos, and recreate them.